Hi pals, John here with the LensPal, and today we have episode 0 of Lighting 101. Welcome to Lighting 101, our introductory course to artificial lighting. In addition to a camera and a lens, there are a few other pieces of equipment you're going to need to be able to follow along at home. First thing you're going to need for Lighting 101 is a light. Doesn't matter if it's a simple speed light like this, or a continuous light like this one. Not 100% necessary, but it's definitely going to make your life easier to have some form of light stand to mount the light on. You could always balance it on a bed or a pile of books, but this piece of equipment right here will definitely make things easier for yourself. Also not essential, but will definitely help you follow along with some of the more advanced techniques that we're going to cover, is some form of lighting modifier. Now it could be a beauty dish like this, an umbrella, or a softbox. Videographers, you get a pass on this next one, but photographers, you're going to need some form of trigger, whether it's a wireless system like this one, or a cable that plugs straight into the light from the camera. That's it for episode 0. Episode 1 will be available right here. Don't forget to like, follow, and subscribe so you get that notification as soon as the video is out.